Alright, I'm gonna make a video of trimming Rosie's nails because she does not love it. We got her favorite treats. I got a nail trimmer. I like these ones the best. And more treats. Come here, Rose. So normally I put her leash on. We do it outside. She knows what's happening. I told her about it. It's on the calendar for several days. She hasn't really eaten her breakfast yet. She's being finicky with her food. Rose, it's time to do your nails. Come here. Okay, I got her with my leash, with her leash, connected to her neck. Yes, but, here, let me, that might mess up. Let me keep it like this, actually. Okay. Okay, ready, Rose? No, she hates it. She hates it. Come here, babe. Come here. I know, remember, we're on the same side. Remember? Look. We're on the same team. Get it. She's like, I don't care about your snacks. I don't like it. Come here. Come here. Oh, you do care about the snacks. Come here, Rosie. She's looking away. So her body language is like, no. No. Come here, Rosie, look. Come here. Look. Here, I'm just going to walk this way. Okay, come here. I don't want to pull you. Come here. Look. Good girl, yes. Yes. Good. Come here. Come in. I know. She's like, Mom, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I'll do it right there. Are you in the frame? Yes, you are. Okay, see how she's sitting? She doesn't want to do it, but I have a leash to keep her in the vicinity so she can't run away. So I'm going to give her plenty of leash. I'm going to step on one side. She hates the fronts, so I'm going to, but she gave it to me, kind of. Not really, but I'm going to take it. So I'm going to trim him like a horse while she's standing, because that's how she stresses out least. That's Larry, our bird friend. Good girl. And we take a break after every paw. Good girl. Positive affirmations. You're beautiful. Little songs. Good girl, Rose. I try to do it about every 6 weeks. She's got black nails, but she doesn't like the front ones at all, but so she's doing really good. Good girl. Oh, Larry, you're being silly. Oh, yeah, I know. Good girl, Rose. I love you. I love you. You're so pretty. Okay, you'll be 25% done after that. Okay, I got a little close on the dew claw, but I didn't make her bleed. Good girl. Yes. Food reward. Good girl. You didn't die. You didn't die. But her tail's still tucked. Like she doesn't love this, okay? She does not. She's never going to love it, but we've come a very long way. Okay, now I'm going to do the back on the same side. She's got plenty of neck leash space. I'm going to pull, I'm going to stand up and do the back leg on the same side. Good girl. She's going to be 10 on Monday. The 10th. So you gotta look pretty for your birthday. You're always looking pretty. Let's see. No, see, she's pulling back a little bit, but she's still tolerating it overall. Good job. Yes! Good job. 50% done. 50% done. Yay! Now we got just the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna turn you for camera purposes, or no. I'll just stand here. We're gonna do the front left. I think we're on camera, yes. Okay. And I can sit down like this so I can protect my back. I hope it's getting my audio. If not, oh well. I'll do a voiceover. Okay, good girl. You're doing so good. Are you so brave? I know you did not want to do this today, but we've been putting it off because you didn't want to eat for a couple days very regularly. Okay, good girl. I know you don't like the front. So it's probably been about 8 weeks since our last one, at least 8 or 9 weeks since we've been putting it off. I know, getting closer, but I'm not actually getting you. Here we go. 75% done. Good girl. I know, now we won't hear you tipping tapping as much. Good girl. Good girl. I know. I'm just going back and getting those a little shorter. I know. It's being a little beauty. Okay, yes. Good girl. 75% done. Yes. A treat after every paw. I just got the back. Right. And you know we just have one more. And I really don't need the leash, but it's just so that she knows that she has to stay here with me. And not run away. By trying to make it as less stress as possible. I could squat down to save my back, but I'm gonna stay here because I can go faster. Good girl, Rose. So proud of you. And I like to have cornstarch or flour on hand in case you get a bleeder on accident, because that happens even to the most experienced. Good girl. I know, we're almost done. Yes. Yes is a marker word for good for her. Good job, keep doing what you're doing. You're gonna get a reward. Yes. Because even though this is not your favorite thing to do, you're still being reasonable. That's the word. Reasonable. You're being very, very reasonable. What's the other terminology? Yay! There's another terminology for that. You're all done, and then we do a big party at the end. Woo woo! Yay! You just won $1 million. Yay! We win $1 million. Woo! She's like, I don't care. I'm done. Bye. Good girl. And that shake off means that she's letting off stress. So, good job. And her tail's back to wagging. Are you a good girl? Yes. Okay, bye.